हाय मेरी बेटी तो कहीं मरी पड़ी होगी नाले में।
Call me daddy. हैं?
Do I look dramatic to you from any angle?
गोली मार दो।
Carole, blood to milk for this?
You know what I hate the most? It's all these bad jokes about us mothers by these millennials. Oh, mothers are so dramatic. Do I look dramatic to you from any angle? Just the other day, I was watching Vidyut Jamal's biceps on Instagram and minding my own business when my son came up to me and said, Mama, ek mango lassi bana do. And I looked at him and said, Mango lassi? Why mango lassi? Khoon pee lo mera. See, very reasonable. Nothing dramatic about us. Simply, people exaggerate. So, all the stress and depression and anxiety is all due to this one ad, this MTR breakfast mix ad. There's this mother in a baby pink kurta, white apron, hair tied back, one lock of hair out for dramatic effect. She draws open the curtains, looks at her sleeping beauty, her husband, and asks, breakfast mein kya loge? And he stretches and says, dosa. The son says, upma. The daughter says, vada. And the father-in-law, not to be outdone, pops out of his newspaper and says, rava idli. And the mother, at this point, instead of throwing that pristine white apron on the floor and walking out of the door, smiles demurely, grows to extra pairs of hands and proceeds to make all 3 breakfast items, all 4 breakfast items in 30 seconds flat. And this is the kind of high standards we have to live up to. And you wonder why mothers are so stressed. And you want to know why Kali Mata is so pissed off and sticking her tongue out at everybody? It's not because she has to fight evil Rakshasas all day long. She is pissed off because she's worried what her family will ask her to make for breakfast every day. Jai Mata Di.
Speaking of diets and food, you have to ensure your kid gets all the major food groups with the required micro and macronutrients measured by body weight, and which should be an exact percentage of the percentage body fat, which must be re-evaluated on a bi-weekly basis, making sure there is protein supplement on top of the protein shake added to the protein-rich ragi and chia seeds breakfast, which is cooked in homemade ghee made from home milk cow of a homegrown cow. Which, unless you are a vegan or lactose intolerant, in which case you switch to a plant-based alternative which is not genetically modified, which is ethically sourced, and you make sure that your kid does not leave a carbon footprint, does not get addicted to screens, yet learns to code by the time he's 1, grows up plastic-free and pro-recycling, and there is no negative energy around the baby, and you practice mindfulness and you meditate, and the baby's crib is Feng Shui compliant, and he learns multiple languages and yet stays rooted to his culture. And do not forget to rub virgin coconut oil on him.
Yo, Astha, that was amazing. So this Mother's Day, no? For that one day, I don't want to be a mother. Call me daddy. So, I'll play with you like a toy. The moment you start crying, I will hand you over to your mom. Okay? I will have no pressures of getting your homework done or disciplining you. I will chill, have fun with you, spoil you, and be called the best dad. Office se laut ke, I'll be very tired. Ask for a cup of tea from your mom, park myself in front of the TV, and pretend that I am doing the most important job on this planet by listening to that crappy, shitty news, and I will get more tired. In the end, I'll ask your mother, dinner kab banega yaar? And when I get to the dinner table, I will complain about the tasteless Loki and dash for my bed. Okay, without sleeping, before sleeping, that's a Mother's Day. I am going to write a long post about Mother's Day. and post the picture black and white of my beautiful mom on my timeline and wait for likes and comments. While your mother is actually doing the dishes, tidying up the kitchen, filling up fridge bottles, soaking rajma for next day's meal, doing up the laundry, solving world hunger problems, and after doing all this, when she comes next to me, sleeps in the bed. I will gently roll over to her, slip in my request for some sex. Hopefully, and obviously, will be denied, sulk a little, and then I'll snore away to sleep. Only to realize next morning that the Mother's Day is over. Now I have to be the regular mother for the rest of my life.
Yay! Aparna, you killed it.
Fuck these oh, my apologies to the nation. My apologies to the nation. Mothers cannot, must not, should not use the F word. I have compiled a list of cuss words, surrogates of cuss words that mothers can use guilt-free. Cuss, #cuss with care. So mommies, every time you feel like using the F word to vent out, say it loud and clear. Philippines, Faridabad, Fuckwada, sada apna hi hai. And when will we use the rhyming scheme? We have all figured out Swarovski ke. So there we were 9 months later. This 85 kg sack of a woman being wheeled into that nursing home, horizontal, screaming beyond permissible decibel limits. There rushed the father. Oh my God, the father to be. Straight from a conference, in a white full sleeves formal shirt, matching maroon tie, matching turban. His mother, roots freshly touched up that morning, makeup in place, all set to impress her first grandchild. 4 hours of pains, and I hear the nurses gossip.
अभी तो पेन असली चालू ही नहीं हुआ.
3 hours later, this Radhe Ma, doing her pravachan, cuss with care, was wheeled into the inner chambers where the real shit happens. They call it the labor room. And there started that power yoga session that no one had prepared me for. There were push-ups, there were sit-ups, there were planks, there were animal flows and whatnot, and I came down to cuss with care. Oh my God. After a few rounds of animal flows, what worked in the end was the good old Desi Pavan Mukt Asan. Out popped a maroon colored, matching, over-swollen boy, and I collapsed, only to wake up moments later with the baby in my lap. The father, not a wrinkle on his shirt, by my side, teary-eyed. We looked at the baby, then we looked at each other. There was a question tattooed on his face. Are you sure it's mine? And here I was wondering, how the hell does he resemble my friendly neighbor's cute little pug, Doggy?
We're surely taking away the cuss with care words.
There's always been 2 teams, right? Moms and children, and we swore we'd never become our mothers, only to end up exactly the same.
Wait till you have a child just like you, and only then you'll understand what torture you put me through.
Kalsa, why are you talking to girls about homework and that too at this hour? You couldn't get it in school or what? Then there's a classic. Just wait and see. You'll understand my value only when I'm dead and gone. My favorite, however, and I don't even know if it's scientifically true, but it sounds dramatic enough to scare a 6-year-old. I turned my blood into milk to feed you, and this is how you repay me? Late for carpool, playground fight, lost Tupperware, Bonvita poured down the basin, potty not flushed, anything, everything. That line is gold.
You're not gonna talk to me. I know that for sure.
To all you mothers out here, happy Mother's Day. And to all of you thinking about becoming moms, you're sure?